Hottest spots in the world for COVID-19. Thousands of new cases being reported every day.
And the surge is so bad, France has canceled all flights to and from that country. So what's happening here in South Florida? What are we doing about it? Local 10's Amy Viteri is live at Miami International Airport to show us. Amy?
Well, we know at least 3 airlines currently offer direct flights from South Florida to Brazil. That's from different South Florida airports. And it's a country that one infectious disease expert tells us makes up about 2% of the world's population, but currently accounts for 20% of the world's deaths from COVID-19. But currently it does not seem the United States is taking steps to put any further travel restrictions in place.
Anyone going to Brazil needs to understand what the situation is.
The situation is dire, according to FIU infectious disease expert Dr. Eileen Marty. Brazil's hospitals are overwhelmed with COVID-19 cases. An increasing number of those dying are young people, and grave diggers are working into the night. The world now taking steps to keep out the troubling Brazilian P1 variant. Tuesday, France suspended all flights to and from Brazil, but daily flights between Brazil and South Florida are still operating.
We already have the P1 variant of Brazil here in South Florida. We certainly don't want any more of it.
In fact, Florida leads the country with the most identified cases of the P1 variant. The White House has already restricted travel from Brazil for anyone but U.S. citizens and permanent residents. When we asked if further measures were possible, a spokesperson referred us to CDC guidance. The agency currently urging people to avoid all travel to the country, which is listed at level 4, the highest possible for COVID-19.
We do have a requirement for testing prior to returning from Brazil.
Dr. Marty says all travelers, even those fully vaccinated, should also be tested within 3 to 5 days of arrival in the U.S. A good system, she says, if not perfect.
Could it be more stringent? Yes, it could. There are reasons why people must travel back and forth.
Again, the CDC urging Americans to avoid all travel to Brazil, even those who are fully vaccinated, due to concerns that they could still potentially catch and spread variant strains. We're live at Miami International Airport. Amy Viteri, Local 10 News.